Today we're doing a house tutorial and we're going to start in the back garden. Okay, this is my favourite thing in the back garden right now. You're going crazy. And there's a shed with ghee in it. Yes, very good.
Yes, I'm doing my favourite job, getting potatoes.
Yes.
Because I love potatoes.
On ice.
Sarah's bench is.
And this is Sarah's bench. Yes, very good.
And this is our patio.
Yeah.
Where we'll be having our summer picnic.
Yeah, but it's kind of dirty.
Yeah, Daddy's got his power wash it all.
Yeah.
This is the naughty zone where we put naughty daddies.
When can I come out?
In 95 years. Okay, he said so good. And the narrow corner, then nobody knows what's in there.
This
Does
is
anyone want to play catch the potato?
No, thank
No.
you. we'll pass.
Hot potato.
This is the decking and it's got those on it like a ship.
Yes.
So we can play on being on ship.
And it looks like a stick human by you.
Yes, that's a stick art.
Yes, but it was just growing there though. I think Holly's gone back in now. Okay, and this is our little area. Oh, Ivy Boo Boo. Hello. It's very cold in here. You see the mirror? And then there's doggies. A lot of stuff. Okay, I can show you the rest in a bit. Okay, our second area is the living room. So this is where I go before school. Sometimes nice photos and stuff, and like flowers, and a nice massage chair, and naughty daddy in the bed. He escaped. And photo of me. My shoes.
This is where it gets really exciting.
And my sheep blanket.
It gets tricky because you're about to do
Did you
something.
do my pictures in your hayron?
Yeah. A Holly Boo Boo. Ivy Boo Boo and Holly Boo Boo. Black dot, white dot. And there's so.
This is the beautiful beach that is just round the corner. And that is when Daddy and your mommy went to Dubai. And that's a picture from my friend. And that one is. And that's Haywen's badge. She won in the school sports.
Well, that one was it.
And up from here we have Owain Glyndŵr, who was the last Prince of Wales. Thank you, Haywen.
Interesting. Back to the living room.
Got a photo. That was your great grandmother did that when she was 12. You can see her name on it, Anne Rees, and her age 12, from 1855.
That's it for today. Next time we'll have more
And
teams
this
playing
here
for
is
thousands
beautiful
of pounds. You can
painting
join us too. But
of
do you know your
land
link?
of Llanstefan by Sarah Winslow. And this
I think
here,
the TV's too loud.
This here is a beautiful
experience of racism in
18th
football.
century
Memories
mirror.
of Hillsborough and
Ooh.
playing for England. It's legend John Barnes.
Okay, now the kitchen. Okay. We got all the cups, a gaze right peanut, and a stove. And the cabinets up here, and the nice window. There's a cat calendar up there.
clock like a teapot.
Yeah, a clock like a teapot. And a radio.
How beautiful of where we've been.
Yes, all the
Our
places we've been.
fridge magnet.
My drawings.
Everyone's beautiful drawings. And Guy's Bovril.
Well, he loves Bovril, doesn't he?
And the old painting of Pembrey Church. And our beautiful poem on the wall.
That everyone kind of wants to get rid of.
And Uncle Dennis.
Yes. Up and down. Let's see if I can get a bit of... There we go.
And on here, we have a picture of your great-grandparents, Betty and Gareth.
Yes.
And where next here go?
We have the wizards. Yes. That is me. A very long time ago. That's Mommy. That's Daddy. That's Guy, and that's my sister Chantal. And the coats. Moo coats.
His daddy's certificate for raising a lot of money for the Brain Tumor Charity.
Yes, very we go upstairs. Okay. And then you have my room. Yes. Okay. A room. Okay, this is Chantal's bed. That Polly likes to sleep on the blanket. I'm gonna show you my bed now. My bed is by here. The room that I've only slept in once. To be honest, that is very true. And my suite is a game console, my nails on it, and the style that I made.
And your flag on the wall.
Yeah, my flag. And the thing that I lost for over 2 years.
And your
Funny been found.
in the drawers.
Yes, well, there's stuff in the drawers, but yeah.
And 2 pictures.
Yes, the I made this one, and that just came with the house, to be honest. Yes. Okay, now Mumgy's room. Okay, you got a nice cabinet by here. See Mumgy in it.
Wardrobe.
And they got a bathroom over there. She's lucky.
And I've got my picture on the wall.
Yes, the picture. And
My poem.
photos, but yeah. And the bed with my penguins. And a nice TV. That completes every single room. Okay, now we're doing my dad's room. So I've got my teddies under here. Can you turn the light on? It's on blue. It's put there. There we go, that's better. I got my games, my toys, my drone, my water bottle that tastes like shampoo water. True. And the TV, and the cat's treats that I did not see. And
The chandelier.
yeah, a nice chandelier. Ooh, very good.
And his fountain.
Yes,
Medals.
medals.
And
let's
his
see.
picture that you did for him.
Yep. Down below. Okay. And then there's the bathroom. And then,
His desk.
yes,
And the other chandelier.
another chandelier. And the wardrobe and the PS5. Very good. I want to show you one more thing. There's pictures when he was little. Well, young, I would say. And that picture of this. So, bye. Hi, everybody. I got a surprise. Whatever surprise I meant. Boo boo. You. Yeah. She doesn't know what she's doing. Bye.